Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, I have the unboxing and make from the Think Pink box number 15. All right, so I cannot tell you how excited I am because according to Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door, I am the first vlogger to get her box this month. So it took less than 2 weeks for it to get here. I know that she shipped the Canadian boxes a little bit before the rest of the international boxes. So it promptly made its way to me and I couldn't be happier. So let's get it open and see what's inside. All right, so, oh my goodness, I'm feeling very disorganized. So here's our little card, box number 15. And, ooh, on the back is a place where I could list all of the possibilities for the fabric. So a bunch of pattern options, which is amazing. It says here that there were 3 colors available this month. Ooh, that's cool. I love that. All right, let's see. Let's find the card first. Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm going to show you the front of the card yet. But on the back of the card, it says, if plan A didn't work, the alphabet has 25 more letters. Stay cool. Very nice. Okay, what's the treat this month? White chocolate cookies and cream. Oh. Oh, I should show you it, eh? There you go. Some cookies. That's amazing. Thanks for picking me up and thanks for reading this. We're all about thanks at Bjork. In fact, our name comes from the Irish word for gratitude. It's pronounced Bwiok, by the way. Good to know. All right, nice. That'll go nicely with coffee. You notice how every treat is going to go well with coffee? I'm a big fan of coffee. All right, the notion are, ooh, plastic snaps, white ones. That's cool. Very cool. All right. Here's my thread. And it's a big spool this month. And here is the fabric. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is 2.5 meters of viscose. So it's 100% viscose fabric. This is, oh, this is so nice and soft. I love this. I don't know that these are my colors, to be honest. But, oh my gosh. I love the feel of this. So this is the color I got. And the other 2 colors are what looks like a blue over here and a brown over here. So I got the rust orangey kind of colorway, which is up here. Oh, I'm excited, but oh my gosh, I never know what to make with 2.5 meters of viscose fabric because, as you all know, I don't usually wear dresses. Although when the summer months get here, I'm tempted by all of the dresses. But I could make a long skirt with this. Yeah, I could make a long skirt with this so these colors wouldn't be right up against my face. That might be an idea. So like I said during the unboxing and make video for box 14, I'm going to be doing a collaboration video with this fabric. So now I just have to wait until Elizabeth from the Stitchy Wife gets her box, and then we can chat about what we're going to make. I mean, if she gets a different colorway, maybe we could do the same garment, but then see how the garment looks in a different color. Anywho, lots of options. So I will leave it here, get this ready for the washing machine, throw it in the wash, and then decide what I'm going to make with it. See you soon. And I'm back, and I have a guest. You get a 2-for-1 this month. So I really wasn't sure what to make with the beautiful fabric because I didn't think it would suit me or Marianne. It's none of these colors are in our color palette. So I didn't want to make a full-on blouse. I could have made a skirt, but I felt it was a little bit too sheer. And then I would have needed to line it. And then for a summer skirt, what's the point? You get hot. Anyways, so I ended up making 2 camis, one for me and one for Marianne. So for me, I made the Cashmerette Avola, which is a Cashmerette Club pattern that came out, a few months ago now, I think. I made my usual size, 16, 18, with the EF cups, graded to a 20 at the waist and hips, and I absolutely love this cami. The straps are wide enough to hide my bra straps. I do have a little extra room up here and in the back, so I may take a little bit of a wedge out in the back, especially if I want to wear this by itself, but like this with a cardigan or a blazer on top, it would be nice. And we were saying that when we were trying these on before, it may not be in our colors, but it really doesn't look bad on us. So I don't hate this at all. And I will wear it out. I thought at first these were going to be PJs, but I think I'm just going to wear it with like a black cardigan on top or something. So very, very happy with my Avola. I am now tempted to make 15 of these in all of my rayon because this fabric, oh my goodness.
It's so soft.
So nice to wear. So for Marianne, I made the True Bias Ogden cami, which has been so popular in the last few years. Everybody had made the Ogden. This was my first time making it. I made it in a size 2 based on her measurements, and it fits her like a glove.
Yeah, seriously, I don't even know what to say about this because it fits so well. There's no gaping here. The straps are just long enough to give me full coverage, and even the back, where it falls, it's perfect. It hits me just below my hips, which is where I like it. And so seriously, I have nothing negative to say.
I know.
As a non-sewist, I didn't make this, so I can't tell you how hard or how easy it was, but wearing it, I think it looks good on me. I was really surprised because the only thing I was told about my colors, apart from my palette, was do not wear any shades of orange ever. So I was surprised because there's orange and there's like dark brown with like orangish shades. And I still think it looks good on me. So yeah, I'm very surprised and very happy about this.
Yes. So yes, a big thank you, Andrea, and everybody from Beyond the Pink Door, because another really successful month with my Think Pink box. Very pleased with both of these. I will be making her like 15 more of these, I think.
Yay!
And the beauty of making the Ogden for Marianne, because she's so tiny, is I don't even need a yard of fabric to make it. So anytime I have 80 centimeters or 90 centimeters left in rayon fabric, I can just whip one of these for her. And yeah.
How long did it take you to make it?
Not long. Yeah. Really not long.
Oh, well, there you go. I can ask her, I have an event tomorrow. Can you make something for me? And then,
maybe. Hi. So it is a little bit later in the day. I had to film this clip after we actually finished the rest of the video because I was waiting for Elizabeth from the Stitchy Wife to confirm she was still good to go for our collab. She has now confirmed. So I'm really excited to see what she's made with her fabric. And so after you finished watching this, please make sure you go over to Elizabeth's channel. I will link that below to go see what she's done with this gorgeous viscose. Now back to the video. All right, well, that's it for this month's Think Pink subscription box. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video with my special guest.
I know, I've enjoyed being here.
Nice. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. Please give the video a like on your way out and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.